Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we're going to unbox and set up the global Razer gaming chair. So let's begin the video. Here is the box of the gaming chair. So I bought it from the Razer.pk. If you're interested, the link will be in the video description. So first of all, I'm going to unbox it and then I'm going to show it how you can assemble it, as it does not come assembled. So here are all the different things that are provided with the chair, and now we are going to assemble it. So I'm going to show you a picture of the manual as well in the video, so you can pause and see it if you are not understanding this video. Anyways, first of all, we're going to start with the base and then we're going to move to the top of the chair. So according to the manual, here is our base, and first of all we need to insert the wheels to the base and then we can move on. So if I flip it over, we have these different spaces for the wheels, so we're going to place them in. For the wheels, we got a total of 5 of them, so we need to put them in their place like this, and we should press them in. So they're going to completely go in this place. You can see it has a gap right here, but if I apply enough force, it's going to go into place and the gap will almost be negligible. So you can see all the 5 wheels are in their place, and if I flip it, you can see the chair is now standing, the base. So you can apply some extra pressure so you know the wheels are in their place. Now the second step is to install the hydraulic, which is this thing provided with the chair. So you need to just place it in like this, and that's all. It should go into this place, and you can apply force over here as well, and you can see now it's not moving. A little more and that's all. The third thing is the cover that is provided for the hydraulics, so it's going to go into its place like this, and that's all. So for the base, it's complete. Now we're going to move towards the rest of the chair and then we're going to come back to this piece. So first of all, we're going to assemble the side armrest and then we can move forward. So for assembling the armrest, you're going to have a packet of these different screws. So 6 of them will be 20 mm and 6 of them will be 25 mm. So the 25 mm will be longer than the 20 mm screws. So let me take them out. And you can see they are going to have washers as well. So we have a total of 4 washers that we can use. So now we are going to assemble these screws. So I'm going to show you one side, the process will be same for the other side. So you can see you have this plastic which you can move around, and on the bottom you're going to have these 2 holes, and these 2 holes are going to align with these 2 holes as you can see right here. So it's pretty simple, just make the cut a little longer, insert it in its place, align the screw holes in the bottom as you can see, and then we can screw it in using the 25 mm screws, not the 20 mm. 25 mm long screws will be used for the base. One thing that you need to make sure that when you're tightening the lower arm metal, make sure that these buttons are on the outside, so the metal arm should go like this, so it's on the outer side of the chair. And for the 25 mm screws, we are going to use the washers as well, and for tightening them you're going to have an Allen key that is provided with all these screws in the second packet, and that's tight enough. As you can see right here, you're going to have something like this. Now I'm going to do the same for the second one. So now we're going to install this at the base of the seat. So this is the back side of the seat and this is the front side, and you can see front right here, and on the thing you're going to have front sync. So it should go something like this, and you're going to have 4 of these screws holes. So now at the back of the chair you're going to insert 2 Q size screws, which are these longer ones, and on the mid you're going to use the 2 O type screws, which are the medium size screws. So let me just screw them. So once it has been in its place, we can install the side arms. You can see they're going to go something like that with the button at the outer side of the seat. So it's going to be something like that, and we're going to use the O type screws that are provided. So the base of the seat has been completed. As you can see, we have installed the side arms, the bottom thing, and now if I flip it over, you can see the seat is looking something like that. Sorry, the carpet is quite dirty right now. So now what you can do is, there are two approaches. You can install the back right now, or you can first place it on top of the base and then we can install the back, which I think would be much easier. So what we're going to do is to just simply drop it on top of its wheels base. For this, there's nothing much special. All you need to do is to carry your seat base and line the hole, and it should go in its place, something like that, and you can push it in so that it's in its place. So now we're going to install the back side of the chair. For this, if you can see, on the right we have two screws holes and on the left we have two screw holes, and this is basically the back side of the chair. So on the right side, when looking at this direction, you're going to install this thing right here which has a lever on it. So it's going to go in this position. So on the side it's going to go something like this, and on the other side the simpler one, and we're going to use the longer Q type screws for this. So let me just install the one side and then the other. Now once both the side metal rails are in their place, we can take our seat, put it on top, and here on the side you can see there are some screws holes. So we can just align them and tighten the screws. So here you can see the back has been installed successfully. So I have screwed it from both the sides. Now before installing the final covers, I highly recommend that you sit on the seat and check if everything is working perfectly alright. Otherwise you have to unplug the covers and do it again. So I have checked the up down functionality and the backward functionality using this one, and the seat is working perfectly alright. So now I'm satisfied and I'm going to install the final covers on both the sides. So for the right side of the seat, if you're looking at from the back, then you're going to use these two covers that are provided. So they're going to go something like that. For the this one, you can see there is a little area, so you can slide it in. It's going to go something like that, and it's going to sit in its place. And the upper one, it's going to go something like that, and then you can screw in using the smallest screws that were provided, which are these ones right here. So after an hour it's done, the global Razer gaming chair, as you can see. And last but not least, the final touch. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and now you can know how you can assemble your own global Razer gaming chair. I cannot talk about its review right now because I have not tested it, but overall I like the functionality that you can do different things. First of all, the back, so you can easily go back. If you want to, you can take it back. Obviously the up down functionality which this chair provides, it does not go very high, but it's okay. Then you have these things, and obviously with the buttons the armrest can go up, as you can see. So if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.